Honorable President, distinguished guests, and my respected audience, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, the theme of my talk is the multi-dimensional services by Huzur Diwan-e Kareem, Hazrat Pir Aminul Hasna Shah Sahib, Maddazilluhu wa Muslim Ummah. Mr. President, a flower is unique in its own essence, but its beauty is truly revealed
Zishan.
through the diversity of its attributes, make its impact more prominent similarly in human societies. There was a respected personality whose light shining more in their multi-dimensional services. The world gets continuous benefits from their various types of services. Mr. President, among the highly ranked personality in multi-dimensional services, my title of our discussion is Huzur bin Aminul Hasnan Shah Sahib. My subject of praise is not just an individual, but a multi-faceted personality whose character and contribution are include the great era of Hujjah wa rahmatullahi ta'ala alayhi. His academic journey began from memorization of Holy Quran, and he sought the knowledge from the teachers of Darul Uloom Muhammad Yusuf al-Sharif. Along the spiritual blessing, he obtained the intellectual and the vastness from the fountains of knowledge, and drinking from the final river of the Nizami of Dora Hadith in Karachi. On one side, there was a academic struggle of this, and on the other side, there was a practical effort of Huzur Ziyad Ummah for enlightening the era. Therefore, in every season of life, he continued to pave the way for seekers of guidance through his God-given spiritual ability and the lifeless greatness. To extend that even today, which such people feel into them, step in them, blooming like a garden. Mr. President, just as a flower possesses initiate in its beauty, structure, and competitiveness, the soul of this fragrant essence, the lifespan, and the noble services of Huzur Diwan-e Kareem are equally magnificent. The expansion of Darul Uloom Muhammadiyya Rosia was a fruit of relentless efforts of Huzur Ziyad Muhammad rahmatullahi ta'ala alayhi. Then you will see whether when managing and the cost of the expenditures of Al-Kuliya and Rosia for girls or fulfilling the vastness and the sacred duties of these trusts. The custodians performing their remarkable and the performance their remarkable duties. There was a big duties, remarkable duties, just as a flower possesses initiate in its beauty. In the field of politics, he marked by a remarkable victory with record-breaking votes. Justice, the skillful way in the difficulties of villages, but resolved to show at the tractor he remained. The politically and physically